You're looking out of your spaceship window, Earth a tiny blue marble in the distance. You're not just a tourist, you're an entrepreneur. Your spaceship isn't a luxury yacht, it's a cash cow. But is it really? Can a spaceship actually make money? Let's dive in. First off, we need to define spaceship. Are we talking about a small, private spacecraft for space tourism? Or a massive cargo ship hauling resources from the moon? The profitability drastically changes based on the type of spaceship. Space tourism. This is the sexy, glamorous side of space travel. Picture this, a luxurious spacecraft with panoramic windows, gourmet meals, and zero-gravity yoga. Sounds amazing, right? But is it profitable? The short answer, it's complicated. On one hand, you have the potential for astronomical profits. The ultra-rich are willing to pay millions for a short trip to space. It's like selling a front-row ticket to a once-in-a-lifetime concert. But on the other hand, the costs are equally astronomical. Developing a spacecraft that can safely transport humans into space is insanely expensive. You're talking billions in research, development, and manufacturing. Then there's the ongoing cost of maintenance, fuel, and crew salaries. And let's not forget about safety. Space travel is inherently risky. One accident could ruin your reputation and bankrupt your company. Insurance premiums alone could be a killer. Space cargo. Okay, so maybe space tourism isn't the golden goose we thought it was. What about hauling cargo? After all, space is full of valuable resources. There's water on the moon, rare earth metals on asteroids, the list goes on. The potential profits here are huge. If you can figure out how to mine these resources efficiently and transport them back to Earth, you could become the richest person in history. But again, the costs are staggering. You need massive spaceships capable of interplanetary travel, advanced mining equipment, and a way to process these raw materials in space. And then there's the whole issue of space law. Who owns these resources? What are the regulations governing their extraction and transportation? It's a legal minefield. Other potential revenue streams. Maybe the direct profits from space travel aren't as lucrative as we hoped. But what about indirect revenue? Space stations. Could you build and operate a space station? It could be a hub for research, tourism, and even manufacturing. Satellite services. Launching and maintaining satellites is a big business. There's money to be made in communications, Earth observation, and navigation. Space debris removal. This is a growing problem. A company that can develop technology to clean up space junk could be a real game changer. These are just a few ideas. The possibilities are endless, but so are the challenges. So, is a spaceship profitable? The short answer is, it depends. It depends on the type of spaceship, the business model, and the overall economic climate. It's a high-risk, high-reward venture. But here's the thing, while the financial aspect is crucial, let's not forget the bigger picture. Space exploration is about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. It's about inspiring future generations. It's about making our world a better place through technological advancements. So, while profitability is essential for any business, it shouldn't be the sole driving force behind space exploration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.